Let's get started. So 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Let's put that in our mixing bowl or measuring cup or whatever you're doing. 1/2 cup. Look how nice and dark green that is. Extra virgin olive oil. And I just wanted to remind you that extra virgin olive oil is the very first pressing of the olive. It's the very first bit of oil that comes out of an olive, okay? And it's the most colorful. It's the most fragrant. It's the most flavorful, and it's the most nutritious, folks. The second pressing of the olive is called virgin olive oil. So not extra virgin, virgin olive oil. Not quite as colorful, not quite as flavorful, not quite as nutritious, but it's still pretty good. So they call it virgin olive oil. And then the very last, and all the bit of oil they can get from the olives is just called olive oil at that point. Because it comes from olives, but it's very light in all those qualities, okay? Here's a little marketing thing, just so you should know as a informed consumer. Let's say you're shopping for extra virgin olive oil, right? You see the bottles on the shelf, you're not sure which one to buy. And this one here says cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. And the one beside it just says extra virgin olive oil. You might think, whoa, this one's more expensive, but it's cold pressed. I'm gonna get that one. It sounds like it's gonna be better. It's marketing. All it is marketing, just so you know that. Every single extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed. Otherwise, they can't label it as extra virgin olive oil, folks. So always remember that, and don't pay attention to it. Every single extra virgin olive oil is always cold pressed. If they apply heat to get the oil out of it, it's no longer extra virgin. The next ingredient.